Thank you for choosing CoverSafe automatic pool covers as your authorized cover pools installer and maintenance professionals. In order to get the most out of your investment, please watch the entirety of this video to learn how to properly operate your new CoverPools automatic pool cover. To uncover your pool, first ensure that any sticks or obstructions are removed from the top of the fabric and remove the cover pump. If using a toggle switch to operate your pool cover, press and hold the switch in the uncover position until the cover has retracted into the cover box. If using a touchpad to operate your pool cover, enter your 4-digit code and press and hold the uncover position until the cover has retracted into the cover box. Be sure to watch the cover the entire time it is in operation. Open the cover until it is approximately 5 feet from the end of the pool and use the cover pump to remove any remaining water that may have accumulated. Once all water is removed, remove the cover pump. You can open the cover the rest of the way to enjoy your pool. To cover your pool, first make sure that all pool toys and ladders are removed. And water features are turned off. Press and hold the cover button or switch until the pool cover reaches about 2 inches from the end of the pool. Always make sure to watch the cover the entire time it is in motion. Holding the cover button or switch after the cover has reached the end of the pool may damage the cover system and lead to costly repairs not covered under the warranty. Briefly stopping the cover 2 inches from the end before fully closing will help eliminate the risk of damage. To finish covering the pool, press and hold the cover button or switch until the cover bar is flush with the end of the pool. Your CoverPools automatic cover comes with a cover pump that should be kept on the pool cover at all times when closed. Place the pump in the center of the cover so that any water that accumulates will be pumped off. To reduce the risk of drowning and added stress on the cover system, accumulated water must be removed from the top of the cover regularly by using the cover pump. Remove any debris that collects on the cover surface to help reduce the amount of buildup in the cover box. The cover box should be cleaned once a year to prevent damage to the cover fabric when fully retracted. Annual maintenance is required to keep your automatic pool cover running well for years to come. CoverSafe offers a variety of services to keep your pool cover like new. Our experienced technicians will check all components of your automatic pool cover to make sure everything is clean and working correctly. The cover system includes a variety of wearable parts, such as cables, tracks, and pulleys that should be inspected yearly by an authorized technician to ensure its safety. If the cover is noticeably dirty, your CoverPools dealer offers a cover wash service that is included in the annual maintenance plan. Browse our pool cover services on our website, CoverSafe.com. If the cover ever stops working suddenly, it is very important to stop trying to operate the cover and follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. Most commonly, the breaker or GFI has tripped and needs to be reset. Check the breakers and reset, and then attempt to operate the cover. If the cover still does not open or close, call your authorized cover pool service company to request a repair. We believe that every pool can benefit from an automatic pool cover, and we hope that it will bring you enjoyment and peace of mind when using your pool. For more information or to schedule a service call, visit CoverSafe.com.